So this morning I completed my first experiment using AI video editing using this app called Magisto. I think that's how it's pronounced. Anyways, it's really cool. What I like about it was I was just recording a number of clips on my DJI Osmo Pocket, but really it could be just on any device you have, whether it be your iPhone or any more professional equipment. I took a bunch of shots, spoke to the camera, and then I basically uploaded the clips in sequential order, and I think you have the ability to kind of reorder things around a little bit. And I select a theme, so I can't remember the exact name of the theme, and then you pick a song, and then the algorithm or the software basically edits to the music, builds in transitions, add in layers, and so there it creates just a very dynamic and fun video. And the whole process, not including the filming, took all but about 10 minutes, maybe less of my time, just getting it into the app. And then processing wise, I believe that video footage gets uploaded to the cloud and then processed on their end. And that took, let's call it 15 minutes before I got a message back saying the video is ready to watch. And overall, I'm really pleased with the quality of the edit. It's definitely better than anything I can do just in that short period of time. I think given enough time, I could sit and make a perfect video, but for the amount of effort it took, all I had to do was focus on producing good quality content, capturing the story, and then capturing the appropriate B-roll shots. And then the software did all the editing. So incredibly crazy world that we're in. So I will at some point post a link to the first video, but this one also will be another just AI edited, no intervention on my part type video. So we'll see. I'm gonna go and 100% own it, and the software might kind of make some flaws here and there, but for the most part I'm just gonna trust it and try to do as little intervention as I can on my part and focus on just spending more time capturing cool footage. Now this is using footage from my DJI Osmo Pocket, so the quality probably isn't as good as my larger camera, and there's no good mic that's hooked in here, so the audio quality probably is a little bit lower. I am gonna give an experiment. My next test will be to use my Fuji X-T3 and hook up a mic, carry it around, and replicate the same process, and hopefully capture a bunch of clips that I will then upload to Magisto and let it do its. So I think the question I'm asking myself the most is this cheating? Is using automated editing software just cheating the craft? And my point of view is absolutely not. I think the fact that we can use AI to help capture the best of every clip, pick out the right content, adjust music, listen to things, it's a very mundane task. I think from my point of view, like producing a daily vlog is incredibly mundane, and I think people burn out on it because you're basically acting as a machine. You are doing the same thing over and over, listening to a clip, clipping out things that's relevant and important, and then stitching it together, layering in music, adding transitions. That is just an incredibly mundane task, and I'm sure that you can argue that, yeah, maybe it should be done with higher quality human intervention, and a human could do a better job, but I would say the software that this team has put together is definitely much better than I am. I'm no professional, and I think what it's doing is it's making the decisions that I probably would have made, and it has the ability to tap into the world's knowledge, right? So this massive database of training data that they have to build this algorithm, that's a lot more experience and knowledge than I have, than any, in my opinion, any sort of expert would have. It's like competing against Wikipedia, right? Like, this is the collective knowledge of the entire world, or this is the collective knowledge of video editors around the world. No way any one individual can surpass that. Sure, there are probably incredibly talented directors that's producing feature films, but for the average producer like myself, there's no way I can compete in that space. And I will continue. And I think what's cool is I will then use the free time that I have, freeing myself from the mundaneness of producing daily vlogs into using it as a documentation process and automating the production of the vlog, and then spending my free time doing more higher quality projects. And I think that's where the value comes. That's where I can be more creative and invest my time in something that's actually of value versus doing very rote, monotonous tasks that can be automated, right? In this case, just basic editing. And I'm really excited that software like this is being created, and it really democratizes this process and allows anyone with a camera and the ability to hit record to start producing some really cool content. And hopefully it helps just improve everything and all. So I've also noticed, quick side note, is my voice is cracked twice, both in this video and the last video. So not sure what's going on there, whether I'm going through puberty again. But anyways, if you like the series, you're really interested, if you want to learn more about this software, give me a like, leave a comment, let me know whether I should produce a behind the scenes how to create a AI edited